Rebel Canner's teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old days. And, you know, we all need a little bit more of the old ways these days. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. So I just made a pit stop, not here, but out of town, on a dirt road on my way to school to pick up my son. I had to go through a dirt road, and I grabbed some asparagus seed. Put the video. All right, I went ahead. I found some asparagus alongside the road, and I picked it, and I wasn't filming. For some reason, my phone is not taking pictures like it should. I did that whole video and I couldn't do any thing because I didn't have any spot to show you. But there it is. There is some asparagus. All right, keep an eye out for it, Rebel Canners. Drop this in your garden and let winter do its thing and you will have seed here. And I just want to talk to you about that. So why didn't I just go to the store and buy it? Say at Walmart. Why do I want to stalk the wild asparagus? Why am I looking for asparagus seed in the ditches around here? Twofold. I want asparagus seed that's acclimated to my growing zone, and very specifically my microclimate within a few miles of my house. Because every growing zone is different. I could go to Walmart and I could buy asparagus seeds, but they probably grew that in California. And it's not going to do as well here in northern Michigan as it would in California. And it's going to take a few generations to acclimatize to my microclimate. And by going out right now in the fall, harvesting the seeds, I can get, and I picked a handful. It's just like, that's probably as much as I'd get in a package or more. I'm going to ferment them for a couple days in water, take off the seed coat. I'm not going to dry them and save them, although I could for up to 3 years. I am going to go spread them on my asparagus patch at my food forest, or in another patch at my food forest that I want asparagus to come up. And I'm going to let the winter score those seeds open and help them, the frost heave, help them germinate and grow naturally. And they'll be much hardier and much more acclimated to my climate and much less likely to succumb to our winters here than seed that was grown for generations in California or somewhere else that the seed companies are sourcing from. Now, there are seed companies that grow their own. There are some really good seed companies close to me. Berlin Seeds, Nature and Nurture, and my gardener, that I could get that would be very close to they would be in my growing zone. If they are producing their own seeds, it would be in my growing zone. But it's not the same as if you could get it where it's grown here. And this is hardy stuff. I mean, if it's coming up on its own in the ditch, it is very hardy. So, all right, that's all I wanted to say. I wanted to give you an update. I finally managed to find some. For some reason this year, it's been almost impossible to find. I started the video a couple months ago in preparation of doing this, and then I haven't seen any at all. Every plant I have is stripped bare. I think we're going to have a really bad winter. I think that we have some very big acorns. They're bigger than my knuckle. They're huge. I think we're going to have a really bad winter, and I think that the birds and the squirrels and the little animals are already stashing their supply away in their little food caches, and they're one of the first things that have went. For whatever reason, maybe they know they'll be able to last in those little cracks and crevices that they've put them, where other berries and things that are out right now won't survive. So there you have it. I managed to do it, and I want to share with you. And I know I had some questions on why I would want to do it, so I wanted to share those answers with you too. Thank you, Rebel Canners. You have a great day, and get out there and revise an old skill so that you're ready to do what you need to do to keep those old ways alive. Thank you, and have a great day. Be sure you're subscribed and you've rung the notification bell so that you get notified when I make new content. Thank you, and have a great day, Rebel Canners.